Record it too.
Yep.
Oh,
So we got some GAL Jet Plus. So they went up to 8.
This is what's it called? Latitude 40. Hey, there's a whole coffee station. You can make yourself coffee and drinks.
It's kind of funny.
Yeah. Do they have hot chocolate? Dang, no hot chocolate. What a shame. Oh, there's no. Maybe it's in.
I wonder if they have any iced chocolate.
There's
someone coming behind us
I'm
too.
gonna restart the video if she takes the elevator because I want to get out.
Understandable.
Yeah.
I'll do the same.
Yeah, we'll just. But that would be neat. I'm not gonna film the inside because I can see.
Otis.
I'm gonna get my cab view before we get in.
It mislevels.
It got a new snap cab.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is Snapcab's interior, but surprise!
Buttons are original. Black buttons.
Let's get a picture.
And the indicator too.
See if it works.
The outside one works.
I'm not seeing much luck with a working indicator.
Right. Oh, they're 5. No. 7, 8. 8 works.
Dang, this thing is all cool.
Let's see your call button. Oh, there's an 8.
An 8. Hey, that used to be the old floor indication. Oh, and the call button's the original one. Can I see the call? Yeah, that's a nice one.
All right, back we go.
So we're gonna look at the button for 1. Button for 1 is.
Hey, it's an Otis pop out.
Yeah, not meant to be popped
It's not
out.
supposed to be Otis pop out, but it is. Okay, careful. Come get my picture.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll switch to the other side and we'll watch the indicator.
The numbers that don't work. Wait,
Oh, come on, there's
here's
5.
the one that
Why is
works.
it focusing like this? Just stay.
And no more.
Yep.
Anyway,
Now you can just see the
phone's been replaced.
cab interior.
There's your Nathan.
And I guess there's a Sam too.
And this is
Not working.
nothing.
Look at the leveling.
Let's go to 4.
Alright, we're gonna get off at 4.
That's nothing.
I don't know. Are we just gonna get off at 4?
Yes.
Okay.
I just want to see an intermediate call station.
Alright, I'll just end the video when we get there.
Okay. I want to see an original intermediate one.
Well, I don't know why I'm watching the indicator. It doesn't work.
Yeah, right.
Classic leveling, but
I want to watch the classic level.
Go to 5.
5?
Yeah.
Are we on 4?
We're on 4. Go to 5. You can watch the classic under leveling. Let me hit 5 again.
Oh yeah, it's just not moving. Will the old UCL go?
6.
5 is best up. I guess the 5 button's just screwed up.
You can't take the elevator to 5.
Right? The indicator works fine.
Yeah, nice. You can see the classic under leveling.
Hey, it's floor 666.
It is.
Out of 6s, and none of them are ADA compliant.
That's funny.
Hey, and there's the original
call.
Anyway.
We'll wait for the door to close. If it does, I don't think it does. Oh no, it does. It does close.